Hello everybody. I hope all of you are aware of linear equation. An equation in one variable. One variable. So naturally you will get only one solution. Now, when an equation is given, for example, a simple equation like 2x plus 6 is equal to 20, and you are being asked to find the value of x. So we do all those transposing, that is plus 6, when it goes on to the other side it becomes minus x, and then the value of x can be found out as x is equal to 14. Here 2 is in multiplication form, so when it will go on to the other side it will be in division form. So then comes cancellation and you get the value 7. Okay, but this is not our problem. Our problem is a big problem. Means we have been given linear equation in one variable with word problems. Okay, so we shall be dealing here with word problems. Now few word, so the same equation, for example 4x minus 15 is equal to 9 is an equation which was previously given to you to find out the value of x. This time, instead of giving you 4x minus 15 is equal to 9, they will write the same equation in words. So let me write the same equation in words. 15 less than 4 times a certain number. 15 less than 4 times a certain number. Here the certain number is x, unknown number, equals 9. So they have already given you this. 15 less than 4 times a certain number equals 9, and you have to prepare this particular equation. And after you prepare this equation, this means your 50 to 60% problem is already solved, because I am sure, damn sure in fact, that you know how to solve a given linear equation, isn't it? So chaliye, let us start with few sums. The first one is already done. Let's talk about number 2, where they say that if Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age, if Megha's age, so I do not know the age of Megha, therefore let Megha's age is equal to x years. So they say that if her age is increased by 3 times her age, the result is 60. This means according to the question, Megha's age was already x, and if her age is only increased to 3 times, then the total value will be equal to, result will be equal to 60 years. Once again, if Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age, the result will be 60. Come on, now let's solve. 3x plus x is equal to 4x, 60, and the value of x will be equal to 60 by 4, that is 15 what? 15 years. So there's nothing special about it, just you need to generate the equation. Like number 3, they say 28 is 12 less 28. देखो 28 जो है वो क्या बोल रहे बेटा 28, दे से दैट 12 लेस देन, ये 12 कम है किससे भाई? 4 टाइम्स अ नंबर, 4 टाइम्स अ नंबर. सो लेट द नंबर बी एक्स, नहीं लेट द नंबर बी एक्स, इतना तो लिखना पड़ेगा कि लेट, और ऑनलाइन है तो ये भी लिखना नहीं है, लेट द नंबर बी एक्स. देयरफॉर हाउ टू राइट, हाउ this has been given to us? They say that 28 is equal to 12 less than, 12 कम है किससे? 4 times the number. और in other words, or this can also be say written in this way: 12 less than 4 times a number is equal to 28. So if you know how to interpret the language, that is English, तो बहुत आसान है. Otherwise nothing. Number 4, 5 less than 3 times a number is 20. अच्छा, 5 less than means from 3 times a number. From 3 times a number, when you subtract 5, the result is 20. Simple. Not result is 20. They say the result is minus 20. They are saying minus 20. Okay, fine. 20 or minus 20, whatever. So once again, 5 less than. So 5 less than तो 5 कम है, 3x है, 3x कम नहीं है. So 5 less than 3x is equal to minus 20. Now let us solve. So how to solve? Simple. You know how to solve. Minus 20 minus plus 5, that is 3x, is equal to minus 15. X is equal to minus 5. This is your solution. So once you frame an equation, this means your 50 to 60% work is done. 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age. Number 5. Do you know Neetu's age? Neetu's age. I do not know Neetu's age. So let Neetu's age be x. They will ask this only. 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age. According to question, 15 more than. तो 15 more than किससे? From a certain number. तो 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is equal to, is the same as 4 times her age. Is the same as 4 times her age. Wow, see how it's easy to frame an equation. तो निकालिए ना बेटा, क्या है? 15 will be equal to 4x minus 3x. Therefore the value of x will be equal to how much? 15 only. So x is equal to 15. What I did, I brought this 3x onto the other side so that I can get a positive value over here. Otherwise you can also bring 4x over here, so the minus will get cancelled. Simple. देखना है तो देख लीजिए यहाँ पे 3x minus 4x, 3x minus 4x will be equal to 15. Sorry, not 15, minus 15. So you will get minus x is equal to minus 15. X minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 15. So it depends on you how you quickly solve an equation, isn't it? Few more sums we shall do. A number decreased by 30 is same. Similarly, lots and lots of confusion is there in number 6. A number, let the number, do you know the number? You don't know the number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, according to the question, a number decreased by 30. So this number, when decreased by 30, will be same as 14 decreased by 3 times the number. देखिए, अभी मैंने कहा a number, उस number को मैं x रखा था. So the number decreased by 30 is same as 14 decreased by 3x, means 3 times the number. Once the equation is formed, now you solve it. X plus 3x will be equal to 14 and plus 30 is equal to how much? 44. That is 4x will be equal to 44 and x will be equal to 44 by 4 is equal to 11. What is there? Nothing. A salary is same as 4 times B salary. Do you know B salary? Do you know B salary? I don't know B salary. So let B salary be x. Let B's salary be x. So let B salary be x. So they say that A salary is equal to 4 times B salary. So they have given you the initial data that B salary is x and A salary is equal to 4x. If together they earn 3750, so according to the question, together मतलब A का salary और B का salary मिला के कह रहा है बेटा 3750. Simple. Can't you find the value of x? Find the salary of each. So first find the value of x, then find the value of 4x as well as 4x, and then find the value. First find the value of x, then find the value of 4x. Okay? Come on. Let us talk about number 8. Separate 178 into two parts. So 178 into two parts को बांटना है ना, तो लीजिए काट दिया आधा आधा. ठीक है, ऐसे ना करना है, ना ही ऐसे करना है. 178 को आधा आधा करना है, ये भी नहीं करना है. ठीक है, करना क्या है बेटा, 178 को दो भाग में बांटना है. तो एक्चुअली आई डू नॉट नो, सो देयर आर सम चिल्ड्रन हु विल डू 178 by 2. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. 89 89. They haven't 89 89 and 89. They haven't told us about this, that you divide 178 by 2 or 178 into two equal parts. They have just said 178 in two parts. तो हो सकता है पहला वाला 170 हो, दूसरा वाला 8 ही हो. क्या दिक्कत है? इसीलिए चूंकि we do not know the exact value, so what we do that let one part be x, one part be x, and other part be 178 minus x. Very good. One part equal to x, other part is equal to 178 minus x. बड़ी अच्छा है. Do you know that which is bigger? Either this is bigger or this is bigger. I do not know. ये हमारी मर्जी पे है. मैं इसे मान लिया बड़ा, कोई इसे मान लेगा बड़ा. Let me see what they are talking about. So they say, so that the first part, this is the first part and this is the second part. The first part is 8 less than twice the second part. So either you can take this one as first part or this one as the first part. So come on, according to the question, they say that the first part is equal to, see, have a look. The first part is 8 less than twice the second part. The first part जो है twice the second part से 8 कम है. Very good. First part जो है second part का twice से 8 कम है. Come on, let us solve. So x minus 2 178 minus x, or why not to multiply here only, isn't it? Let us multiply here only. X will be equal to how much? 170 into 2 is equal to 356 minus 2x minus 8. So x and minus 2x will become 3x. So 3x will be equal to 356 minus 8 is equal to 348. The beta x का value will be equal to 116. Is very simple. This is the first part. Second part निकालिए. ठीक है? Okay. Let us do one more. I'll do. Should I continue one more? Okay. So I'll not continue. Remaining will be in the next video. So I would just say thank you. I'm going to refill my